Good morning, students. Let's continue with English literature. Chapter 6, The Great Escape. We were on page number 46. Let's read the chapter and then try to understand the rest of the chapter. The Scarecrow said, "This tree is very close to the ditch. If the Tin Woodman can chop it down, it will fall to the other side and we can walk over it easily." "That is a great idea," said the Lion. "One would almost think you had brains instead of straws." The Woodman set to work and chopped the tree. Then the Lion put his front leg against the tree and pushed it. Slowly, the big tree tripped and fell with a crash across the ditch, with its top branches on the other side. They had just started to cross the bridge when a sharp growl made them all look up. They saw two great beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers running towards them. "The Kalidas," said the Lion, beginning to shake with fear. "Stand close behind me. I will fight them as long as I'm alive." The Lion turned to face the Kalidas and gave out a loud and terrible roar out of fright. Dorothy screamed and Scarecrow fell over backwards. The Kalidas stopped and looked at the Lion in surprise, but seeing they were bigger than him, they rushed forward and began to cross the bridge. "Hurry up," cried the Scarecrow. "Let us cross over." The four of them crossed the bridge as quickly as they could. Once they reached the other side, the Scarecrow asked the Tin Woodman to chop away the end of the tree that was on the other side of the ditch. "Quick!" cried the Scarecrow. The Woodman began to use his axe at once. The Kalidas had almost crossed the bridge when the tree fell with a crash into the ditch along with the beast. "Well," said the Lion, drawing a long breath of relief, "those creatures frightened me so badly that my heart is still beating." "Ah," said the Tin Woodman sadly, "I wish I had a heart to beat." The four travelers kept walking until they could see a yellow brick road and green meadows on the other side of a broad river. Soon they saw a delightful country before them. Read The Wizard of Oz to find out what happens next. Okay, children. So previously we read and understood the chapter when the four people, Dorothy, Tin Woodman, Lion and the Scarecrow, saw a ditch and they had to jump over it. Then, moving ahead, they saw another ditch, but this one was very huge. Okay, this was wide and was impossible for them to jump over it like they did with the previous ditch. Okay, so they started thinking of new ideas. The Scarecrow was the one to come up with the first and the best idea. Okay, Scarecrow is the one who has no brain, but he was the one to come up with an idea through which they can cross over the bridge. He saw that the tree was very close to the bridge, and the Tin Woodman, he had a chopper in his hand. He could chop things. Okay, Tin Woodman के हाथ में chopper है, वो trees बहुत आराम से chop कर सकता है. So he said that if the Tin Woodman can chop the tree, chop means काटना. If he can chop the tree, it will fall to the other side. Bridge के दूसरे side पे वो गिर जाएगा, and then that will create a bridge for them to cross the ditch. Okay, this is how they can easily cross the ditch. Now, while they were crossing the bridge, the second worst thing that could happen to them was they saw Kalidas behind them. Okay, Kalidas were the big beast with the head of a tiger and body of a bear. The two Kalidas were right behind them. Okay? The lion started to shake with fear because he's a cowardly lion. So, the lion began to shake with fear. Out of fright, he gave a very loud roar. Okay? Out of fright, he was not aware that he can roar so loudly. But after seeing the beast, the lion roared in a very loud voice. Right? The Kalidas got scared. How come this cowardly lion is roaring so loud? Right? After seeing those Kalidas, they started crossing the road in a hurried manner. Okay? जल्दी जल्दी वो लोग उस ब्रिज पे से क्रॉस करने लगे. After crossing the bridge they made, quickly, the scarecrow asked the Tin Woodman to chop away one end of the tree. जब सबने ब्रिज क्रॉस कर लिया, तब स्केरक्रो ने टिन वुडमैन से कहा कि ट्री का एक एंड चॉप कर दो, काट दो, ताकि वो ब्रिज नीचे गिर जाए. Just when the Kalidas were about to cross the bridge, the Tin Woodman chopped the end of the tree. Okay? They were very scared, as if they will come to them and they will catch them. Right then, the Tin Woodman fully chopped the tree. The tree fell in the ditch along with the Kalidas. Okay? Tin Woodman ने पूरा ट्री चॉप कर दिया एक एंड से और वो ट्री कालिदास को लेके डिच में गिर गया. Okay? At that moment, the Tin Woodman felt like his heart is beating. Okay? So in this story, all the four people wanted something. That is why they were visiting the Wizard of Oz. The lion wanted courage. And through this journey, he got courage when he rode on the Kalidas. The Tin Woodman felt his heart beating when he chopped off the tree because he wanted a heart. The scarecrow, who thought he has no brain, used all of his brain to save them from the Kalidas. Understood?